Hi, this is Liam from Prestige Cars Kent, here to show you this Toyota RAV4. Up at the front you've got LED headlights, got these big gloss black wheels, really nice. Got this hybrid badge on the side, that's this car is a hybrid. Tinted windows in the rear. Moving to the interior, you've got these black leather seats. You've also got your electronic seat controls here. And you've also got presets on the door down there. Okay, stepping inside. Take a quick look at the steering wheel. You've got your media controls on the left and your cruise control on the right. And the dash is, you have a big digital display in the middle with two analog displays on either side. I'll just turn on the ignition to give you a better look at that. There you go. Moving to the main entertainment display in the middle, you've got your navigation here on the home screen. You've also got your media and some information about the battery and the engine. Okay, below that you've got your climate control. Here you've got the options for your heated seats in the front. And this car also has a heated steering wheel, which you can see down there. Really cool. Below that you've got your gear selector. And then you've also got some different driving modes here. Eco, normal and sport. And then you've also got EV mode if you just want to use the electric motors. Down at the bottom you've got two cup holders. And if I just turn on the car quickly and put it in reverse, you'll see we have front and rear parking sensors as well as a backup camera. Okay. Moving around to the rear. In the back again, you've got these black leather seats. Got some vents in the back and loads of leg room, lots of space. Really nice. At the back of the car, got these LED tail lights, another hybrid badge there, and one for the name of the car. And if we open up the power tailgate, this is lots of room in the boot. It's pretty big. And that is a quick look at the Toyota RAV4.